babes, today we're going to be installing the wig Etienne by Outre's Perfect Hairline collection. The color I'm installing is DRFF4/Buttered Toast. I got this wig for under $60 on Amazon. I will have the link plus all the details in the description box down below. I was rushing because I was late to work, so this ended up happening.
Few moments later.
Y'all, I just burnt myself like really bad, like, oh, this the shit that come with it, y'all. Like, this shit hurts.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Now I'm going to get into the details of this wig. This wig is a 13x6 frontal with HD transparent lace, and it also includes natural baby hairs. This wig comes with a pre-attached elastic band, and it also includes combs. The hairline is pre-plucked, and the wig is also heat friendly up to 400 degrees. I had to go to work, so first I'm going to show you the finished look without baby hairs, and then I'll be back to show you the finished results. For the remainder of the video, you'll be watching me finish this install, and I'll also be showing you different styles that you can do with this wig.
Few hours later.
I'm going to let the rest of the video play out. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to stay tuned to Lady on the Moon, and I'll see y'all soon. I love y'all.